Good morning, children. Get ready with our next chapter. That is lesson number 6, Riya's journey. Okay. Previously, we have learned about Omna's journey. Now, this chapter is about Riya's journey. What is there? Only few things have been changed in this chapter, so that I will include in this video. Okay. Now, Riya, she was traveling to Vapi with her family. In her family, mother, father, Himaksh, that is her brother, and this girl. They all were traveling from Gandhidham. And the name of the train was Kutch Express. Fine. The name of the train was Kutch Express, in which she was traveling, and she was going to Vapi. Okay. Now, when they were as soon as they saw the train had came, what the father advised, they said, don't move quickly in the train, okay, because the father has just said that train is going to stop for about 15 to 20 minutes. So fine, this is the advice father has given in order to avoid any kind of accident. Normally when we are in a hurry, we do some kind of mistakes, we get hurted, so like this and all. So the father said, like your mother say when you travel by a train, the instructions. Fine. So she said enough time is there, so that's why. Okay. Now she say, this girl, she is telling that somehow we managed to go into the train because only one side of the train was open. Fine. The entry and the exit was from one side only. Normally there are two doors. One should be entry, other should be exit. Fine. This should be done in order to avoid crowding of people. But here both the things were done from only one gate, so there was a lot of crowding. But somehow they just entered, they got into the seat. Now after getting into the seat, there is one person came to check if they are sitting properly or not. Who? That is the ticket collector. Now how do we recognize the ticket collector? We can recognize the ticket collector by the uniform he wear. He wear black coat, white trousers, he has a badge on his coat. These are all the description about a ticket collector. Fine. He doesn't come in a regular uniform. He has a uniform that he wears. Okay. That's it. Now we will start with one by one thing. What did he saw in the journey? What did she saw in the journey? Okay. So now very first stop, it was Samkhiadi Junction. Okay. The train stopped at one place, Samkhiadi. What is the name? Samkhiadi Junction. Okay, Samkhiadi is a name, but what is junction? So this girl, she asked her father, what is junction? Now I am going to tell what is junction. Junction is what? A station at which two or more railway tracks are separating. Normally, when more than one railway tracks are there, what happens? These places are called junction. From this station, two railway tracks are separate. From this station, two railway tracks are separating. On the track on which our train is running is the way to Ahmedabad, other goes to Palanpur. Okay. So I hope you got to know about junction. Junction means what? From one railway, two tracks are separating. Fine. Like it's like one road is there. Yes, it has a two-way. Either go on the left hand side, either go on the right. Now, so let's start. Our train stopped at a station. I was observing. Now the train has stopped at another station where she was looking outside. Now when it was a full moon day, and it looks like the view was looking like a white bedsheet spread across open plain. Means how the white bedsheet is there on the bed. If the white bedsheet has been spread, how do you see? Over and all white. Fine. So this girl, she was also seeing that like that only. Now what is that view? Which place is this where we can see the white flooring? Means white land. It's a what? It's a desert of Kutch. Why? It's a desert of Kutch where the whole entire sand looks white in color because it is having a white layer of salt in it. And as we all know, salt is white in color. Fine. I'm sure many of you have visited this place. Yes, it is the beauty of our Gujarat. Okay, so now why it looks white in color? Because of white layer of salt in it, because it is having the white salt in it. Okay, in this area, Agyaras Agarias are harvesting salt by making saltan. Okay, so here is a place where salt harvesting is done, means here salt is made. Okay, now third station came, that is Suraj Bari Bridge. Okay, third was the bridge. It is called what? Suraj Bari Bridge. Now what is Suraj Bari Bridge? It is the entrance of Kutch. Suraj Bari Bridge is the entrance of Kutch. Okay, now 3 stations came. Now this girl saw that there were many facilities in the train. Now what are the facilities provided in a train? Very first is toilet facility, then catering facility. If we do not have food by ourselves, we can order the food. Then water facility is also there. Yes, running small tap is there. Then medical emergency is also there. In case of any accident happens, medical emergency is also there. So these are the kind of facilities which are provided by the train. Then a lot of things are there. Socket has been provided for charging. Yes, this also you can write it down. So these were all the facilities provided in the train. Okay, now the night time came. Night time means the train was passing through a city during the night. Now whenever a train passes through a city, and especially during the night, what we see, there is a lightning all over there, because in a city, yes, in a city there are lots of light. Yes, there are lots of tall buildings. There are lots of bridges where street lights are there. So it was lightning. The scenery was beautiful because of all the lightnings around. So the train has passed through a city during a night. And next station was Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad was going to come there. Ahmedabad was crowded with people, because Ahmedabad is fully crowded with population. Yes, so there were a lot of people, and there were a lot of noise also she can listen. That is chai garam, then garma garam bhajia, puri shaak, cold water bottle, banana, vada pav, chiku, and everything. Every different kind of voices that you have heard at the station. You can also write that thing if the question. So let's start with our next question answers. Very first is, what kind of voice do you hear at railway station? And the last topic we have discussed in the video, chai, garma garam bhajia, puri shaak, cold water bottle, vada pav. Yes, these are all the different kind of voices that we usually heard at the railway station. You can write it in your own words. Now, generally these are only the things. Okay. Now next, what did was at the railway station? Sorry, the question is, what did Riya saw at the railway station? Okay, now answer is, Riya saw the platform was crowded with passengers and hawkers. And the next question is, what is junction? This also answer you can get in the textbook only. Yes, junction means what? The station at which two or more railway tracks are separating is called junction. Again I am telling, the station at which two or more railway tracks are separating is called junction. It is there in the page number 44. In the textbook only you can find it out. Okay. Now next, how can the crowding of people near the doors be avoided? Okay, we have discussed the crowding of the people near. It's there in the workbook, but still I'm explaining. This can be avoided by having two different doors. One should be entry, second should be exit. The people use these two doors just to let in, just to let out, so that the overcrowding of people can be avoided. Okay, next, why did the desert of Kutch looks like a white bedsheet spread across? Why does it look white in color? Because of what? Because of having white layer of soil on it. The desert is having a white salt which is spreaded on the ground. That's why it looks white in color. Okay, now next, which facilities are provided in train? Okay, the answer is medical emergency, catering, toilet, water facility, electricity. These are all the things provided in a train. That's it. Complete all the things. Try to read the chapter and then only write the answer on your own. and complete the work. Okay, now let's quickly start with our worksheet. That is the fill in the blanks. Yes, Ria and Jia were going for a trip on a train to, where they were going? They were going to Vapi. So I'm telling answers. Just read it right now, listen right now, and then afterwards write it down. The name of the train was, what was the name of the train? It was the Kutch Express. Okay. Dash check the ticket. Only one person ticket collector check the ticket. Okay. In the desert of Kutch, dash are harvesting salt by making saltan. Okay. Who are harvesting salt? Who are making salt? Agarias. The pronunciation is Agarias. It's there in the textbook. Read the chapter. You will get all the things. Dash bridge is the entrance of Kutch. That is which bridge? Suraj Bari Bridge. Suraj Bari Bridge. The pronunciation is Suraj Bari Bridge. The atmosphere of the station was filled up by the noise of different hawkers. The answer is hawkers. Hawkers means all the different kind of person. Yes, vendors, passers, moving, and all the things. So the different hawkers. Again, I'm telling children, read the chapter. You will get all the answers in the textbook only. Okay, now next, what kind? Now next we are going to start with question answers.